Motorcycle defects lawsuits, seeking compensation. Defects in motorcycles, whether they stem from manufacturing errors, design flaws, or inadequate warnings, have the potential to lead to devastating accidents and injuries. The legal path to compensation in such cases is not only important but crucial for riders and passengers to understand. The legal basis, product liability. When motorcycle defects lead to harm, it's not just an unfortunate accident. It's a matter of product liability. Product liability laws hold manufacturers, distributors, and even retailers responsible for the safety of the products they put on the market. These laws are designed to protect consumers and ensure that those responsible for producing and distributing products that end up causing harm are held accountable. In the case of motorcycles, if a defect in the product leads to an accident, individuals have the right to seek compensation under these laws. Product liability cases involving motorcycles can be complex, requiring a thorough understanding of the law and the ability to establish a clear link between the defect and the resulting harm. Common types of motorcycle defects. Mechanical defects. Mechanical defects are often the result of errors in the manufacturing process. These defects can occur at various stages of production, from the assembly line to the final quality checks. Design defects. Design defects, on the other hand, stem from inherent flaws in the motorcycle's design, making it dangerous even if it's manufactured perfectly. This type of defect can impact the motorcycle's stability, maneuverability, or safety features. Warning deficiencies. Warning deficiencies occur when a motorcycle lacks proper instructions or warnings about potential dangers associated with its use. These warnings are essential for ensuring that riders understand the proper way to operate the motorcycle and are aware of any risks they might encounter. Steps to take if you suspect a defect. Ensure safety. If you believe that your motorcycle poses an immediate danger due to a suspected defect, stop using it immediately. Preserve evidence. Documentation is crucial in any legal case, especially when it comes to proving the existence and impact of a defect. Consult legal experts. When dealing with potential motorcycle defects, it's essential to consult with experienced legal professionals who specialize in product liability cases, particularly those related to motorcycles. Gathering evidence. Photographs. Clear and detailed photographs of the defect, any damage it caused, and the overall condition of the motorcycle can be invaluable. Maintenance records. If you've had any maintenance, repairs, or inspections done on the motorcycle, gather all relevant records. Eyewitness accounts. If there were witnesses to the accident or individuals who can attest to the presence of the defect, their accounts can be crucial. Expert opinions. Depending on the complexity of the defect and its impact, it may be necessary to seek expert opinions. Consultation with legal experts. When dealing with motorcycle defects and seeking compensation, the guidance of legal experts is invaluable. An experienced attorney specializing in product liability cases, particularly those involving motorcycles, can provide essential support throughout the process. Case evaluation. A skilled attorney will start by evaluating the details of your case. Legal strategy. Once your attorney has a clear understanding of the case, they will develop a comprehensive legal strategy. Negotiations. In many product liability cases, including those involving motorcycle defects, negotiations with the responsible parties or their legal representatives are a crucial phase. Litigation. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiations, your attorney will be prepared to take the case to court. Advocacy. Throughout the entire process, your attorney serves as your advocate. Filing a motorcycle defects lawsuit. Selecting the right attorney. The first and perhaps most crucial step in filing a motorcycle defects lawsuit is finding the right attorney to represent you. Case evaluation. Once you've chosen an attorney, they will conduct a thorough evaluation of your case. Drafting the complaint. The next step is drafting the complaint, which is the formal legal document that initiates the lawsuit. Filing the lawsuit. Once the complaint is drafted, it's filed with the appropriate court. Discovery. The discovery phase is a critical part of the lawsuit, during which both sides gather evidence to support their claims. Negotiation and settlement. Many lawsuits, including motorcycle defects cases, are resolved through negotiation and settlement. Trial preparation. If a settlement cannot be reached or if it's not in your best interests to settle, the case will proceed to trial. Trial. The trial is the culmination of the legal process, where both sides present their cases before a judge and possibly a jury. Potential appeals. Depending on the outcome of the trial, either party may have the right to appeal the decision. Potential compensation. Medical expenses. Motorcycle accidents resulting from defects can lead to significant medical bills. Lost wages. If the injuries from the accident lead to missed workdays or an inability to return to work, compensation may include reimbursement for lost wages. Pain and suffering. Motorcycle accidents can cause physical pain, emotional distress, and a decreased quality of life. Property damage. In addition to personal injuries, motorcycle defects can also cause damage to the motorcycle itself or other property involved in the accident. Punitive damages. In cases where the responsible party's conduct is deemed particularly reckless or malicious, punitive damages may be awarded. Conclusion. Motorcycle defects lawsuits are complex and multifaceted, involving a thorough understanding of product liability laws, the ability to gather compelling evidence, and skilled negotiation and advocacy. Individuals who have suffered injuries or damages due to motorcycle defects have the right to seek compensation, but navigating the legal landscape requires the guidance of experienced attorneys. Seeking compensation in motorcycle defects cases is not only about obtaining financial recovery but also about holding responsible parties accountable and preventing future incidents. By raising awareness about motorcycle defects and seeking justice, individuals contribute to promoting safer products and enhancing consumer protection in the market. An attorney understands the tactics used by insurance companies, can assess the fairness of a settlement offer, and can work to secure a better outcome on your behalf. Consult with experienced legal professionals who specialize in product liability cases, particularly those related to motorcycles.